This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Listen, I'm going to get right to it. A lot of you have been reaching out to me because many people know me by ClickBank, right? I made $30 million on ClickBank maybe 2 years ago by creating digital products. And many people want to know, Wesley, how do I promote products on ClickBank, as you can see right here, and make $100 a day, okay? And that's $3,000 per month. And this is something I did in the beginning of my journey. Now, listen, what I'm going to show you here is undeniable proof. I'm going to show you which product that you need to promote. That's one. And I'm also, two, going to show you where to get the traffic and how to get the payouts fast. Does that make sense? And guess what? You can do this with $0, which means you don't have to spend a dime of your money, and this works. Now, listen, before I get started, show me some love. Smash the like button, sub to the channel, because, listen, I'm invested in your success. And in the comments below, let me know where you are, where you're calling from, where are you watching this video right now. Watch to the very end, because I'm going to go very quickly, because I'm not going to waste your time. So look, I'm going to log into ClickBank. First thing you need to do is create a free account, okay? Go to clickbank.com like this, create a free account, all right? Sign up. That's easy. I'm not going to go through that process because you should already know what to do. They're in every state and city around the world, okay? Now, once you have your account, you want to log in, like here, okay? As you can see, I have many accounts because over the years, I've made over $30 million on the internet, okay? And that's just what I do. And I teach people like yourself to do it as well. So let me log in here. It's one of my smaller accounts. And once you get here, you want to go to Marketplace. Click on Marketplace. And listen, this is where a lot of people fail. And this is where a lot of people never make any money, is because they don't know which product to promote. And if you promote the wrong product, you're going to make $0. How many of you right now are making no money online because you're promoting the wrong product? Smash the like button. Okay. So the first thing you got to do is hit this little magnifying glass. Okay. Why is that important? Because you only want to promote products that are already making money. Duh, right? You don't want to promote Pookie and Ray Ray's product because you're not making any money. Understand, you have thousands, over 3,000 products on ClickBank, but you have about less than 20 products that make money for people like you. Now listen, as you can see here, we have the products. And as promised, I'm going to show you the product that I know for sure that will guarantee you $100 per day. And I'm going to show you the entire process. And listen, I appreciate you smashing the like button, subbing to the channel. Let's go. So look, we see Java Burn here. We see BioFit, Okinawa. These products are the top 10 products on ClickBank right now. And listen, these people are making money. Now listen, some of these products you shouldn't promote. Let me tell you why. If I click on Java Burn, okay, that has an affiliate page, because you should not promote a product that does not have an affiliate page. Why? Because they're not giving you the resources to make money. So if you click here, as you can see here, they're not giving me any resources to make any money here. They just want me to put my ID and generate a hop link. Well, I can do that right here. I can hit this promote button. That would generate the hop link. What you want, this is important. Listen, you must make sure that the vendor provides something so you can use to promote to make your life easier. Does that make sense? Okay. You want to make sure the vendor on ClickBank is providing you with a sales page, with pre-sale pages, article, blogs, ebooks that are free to help you make money faster. You don't want to spend time doing all that crap, right? You want a vendor that has done his homework. Let me show you the vendor right now that I know that you can make some money right here, the smoothie diet. And I'm going to show you step by step how to get traffic. I'm going to show you how to do the links. And guess what? It is so simple. It only takes 2 websites to get this done. So look, we're going to click on that affiliate link. That's going to bring you here. You get 75% commissions. And the great thing about this, folks, you can actually email this guy and say, hey, guy, can you give me 90%? He'll give you more if you just email him. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people get stuck on the 75%. But listen, if you email these people, more than likely, they will boost your commissions only because you just reached out to them, okay? And they want to make as much money as humanly possible. So you want to click here, get the affiliate tools. And as you can see here, these are tools. They give you the gender. They give you the demographic. They give you the countries. This guy has done a great job, the smoothie dot here, because basically he's given you everything that you need to make money. Now listen, during the holiday season, it's the season to make the most money. And as you can see here, they have something that's called a pre-sale page. Weight loss for women, pre-sale page, or a holiday weight loss. Now listen, this is how you get the traffic. Now listen, you already have your link, right? To get your affiliate link, you want to make sure that you click on the button that says promote. You click there, and that's your ID. That's my ID. Don't use that. Your ID should go here. Okay. Generate hop link. This is the link that's going to get you paid. Okay. This is the link that gets you paid. When people click and they buy, and they will every time, if you do this right and listen to the end here, you will make money. Okay. Period. That's just how it works. So let's go back here, and we're going to look at here. Okay. Now, this is very important. Say if I want to use this pre-sale page, which is holiday weight loss, where it says your ID, make sure, listen very close. Make sure your ID is there. If you don't put your ID right there, you will make $0. I know many people, they copy these links and they forget to put their ID, and now you're giving free money to these folks here. Okay. So let's look at the page here. Here's the page. It's cool. See, the great thing about this, listen, hey, big kid, listen up. They have already done the work for you. They've already tested this. They've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars testing this, and they know it already works. So what you're going to do is send people to this page, and you're going to make money. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Hey, did you smash the like button? Can you just give me some love? I mean, I'm giving you the keys right now. This is, you don't have to spend any money. All I ask is a contribution. Smash that like button, baby. Let's get it. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to send people to this page every time they click on this link and they buy. Look, if I click here, as you can see, it's going to go to here, and we're going to let that guy do all the work for us. I did this many times with products 2 years ago in ClickBank. I made myself millions of dollars. I made other people millions of dollars. Now I'm going to make you millions of dollars right now if you pay close attention here. Now check this out. So what you want to do is go to Facebook, okay? Go to Facebook. Now listen, this is something that I have a young man doing right now. He's a student of mine. He's paying me $10,000 a month, and I'm showing him exactly what I'm showing him. I'm showing you for free. So shh, don't tell him. You type in weight loss, and by the way, hey, Facebook is free, by the way. You type in weight loss, you go to groups. Now, a lot of people, they say, oh, groups don't work. Groups don't work. You can't post a group. They're going to ban you. Lies. They just don't know what they're doing. I've made over thousands of dollars in the beginning of my career when I first became an internet marketer, because a mentor taught me this and said, Wesley, until you understand how to use the internet to like this, to really make money, use this technique, okay? And this is what I did. I grinded because I had $0 in my bank account. You want to join these groups here. Health tips and weight loss. And as a matter of fact, look at this. Let me show you something here that's going to blow your mind here. Let's join this group here, okay? We have 63,000 people in this group right now. 63,000 people, okay? Now, you may ask, well, Wesley, but how do you get paid? Check it out. Look, we see here that the average conversion is $28, okay? The average is $28. So if that's $28, okay, when you sell 4, that's $100 a day, just 4. Out of 63,000 people, you paying attention now, right? That's going to go to this page from this group here. And if you're smart, you're going to join all these groups here, okay? Weight loss for beginners. Join all these groups. It's 176,000 people in that group here. Join every group you humanly can, because all you need is, remember, all you need is 4 people a day that says yes. That's it. 4 people that say yes. That's $3,000. It takes you less than an hour to do this if you do it right. So let's click on weight loss support group. These are people that we know. Let's go on another group here. See if a group I can get in and see exactly their posts here. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to post in these groups here. Let me do a refresh. Give me a second here. All right, there we go. So look, this is what you want to do. You see this cool girl right here? And you see the engagement? See, now this is what they don't teach you online. They don't teach this. They don't even teach you this in courses here. I have a course and I teach people how to, make any product online in 30 days and make $10,000 a month. And a lot of internet marketers, they hate me because I don't BS. I just tell you what you got to do. And my success rate is over 93%. I'll leave the link in the bio below. But check it out. You see what this girl is doing? Mancy Serene. She's actually a client of mine. Okay, not fitness client. But I said, hey, you lost some weight. If you want to make money, go to these weight loss groups. Show a before and after picture. You see right here, 1 month transformation. And just post it below. People are going to ask you how. Right? They're going to ask you how. Of course. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, I'm not overweight. I'm not fat. What can I do? Let me show you something. Just don't share this. This is what you do. You go to google.com. I'm sorry. Hold on. You go to google.com. Type in weight loss, before and after pictures. You're going to love me. Comment below and say, Wesley, I love you. See, they're not going to tell you about this stuff. Trust me. And what you do is you find somebody. Yeah. Shh, don't tell nobody, okay? You find a before and after picture, okay? You find something. You can go to tools here. You can go to usage rights, right? You can put Creative Commons licenses. What that means is this. Creative Commons license means that you can use it on the internet for promotion purposes, okay? So you can use this guy, this guy, this guy, this girl, whatever. You take one of these pictures right here, and all you do is do exactly what my client did. That's paying me $10,000 a month. You do exactly what she did. And actually, this is not even a real profile. This is actually another profile that this person created, right? Because you create a new Facebook account if you want to. That's more advanced. I'll talk more about that in the link in the bio in my description below. But you take a picture like this, you design it, 1 month transformation. It could be 3-week transformation, 9 kilograms, right? And then when people reach out, like Lena that says, how? All you do is reach out to these people personally, okay? You post a before and after picture of you, ask me how, 30-day, 14-day smoothie diet, right? Because remember, we're promoting the smoothie diet. And what you want to do is send them to this link right here. Now listen, once you have this link and you have your ID right here, you want to go to a site by the name of this. Watch this out. Go to bit.ly.com. Okay, are you with me? Go to bit.ly.com. Let me log out of this account here. It's free. Okay. And all you want to do is shorten that link, shorten like this, copy. So when you reach out to these people, because you're going to put a before and after picture, make it look cool, cute like this. Remember, it doesn't have to be you. It could be anybody on the internet. And you can say 1 month transformation drinking smoothies, right? They're going to ask you how. You reach out to this person, message them, right? So if I reach out to Lena, for example, somebody that responded on the post, then what I want to do is say, hey, Lena, you reached out to me. I saw your post, right? You can say, hey, Lena, I reached out to you. I saw your post. Here's what you need to do exactly what I did. So I say, hey, Lena, I saw your comment. Here is what you need to melt the pounds fast. Okay? Boom! Bada bing, bada boom. Listen, if you can do this, comment below. Listen, you can do this 100 times a day because all you need is four people. That's $100 a day. That's $3,000 a month. That allows you to leave your job. That allows you to understand that you can make money online by spending $0. Keep doing this. You can do this in every group. You can get more before and after pictures and just keep reaching out to people as you learn how to build an internet marketing business. Now, listen, if you ever need help, thank you for smashing the like button if you got massive value. I have a link below, and I teach people in 45 days flat, or I will pay you to make $10,000 a month creating your first digital product. I do this every day, all day, and I would love to help you. But listen, watch the video again. then make sure you didn't miss a beat. Comment below and say, Wesley, I did it. It worked. I made my first $1. I made my first $10, $50, $100. I want to hear from you. Hey, remember, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated. Let go.